Okay, so I did a video haul of some jewelry pieces, finding some jewelry beads on a company called In Beads, and they asked me to do some videos, and I thought, you know, that's nice of them to come out like that for me. And so I thought, when I opened the package, I had forgotten which of the pieces I wanted, and I discovered like yesterday that this is a kit that I had picked, and I am so thrilled with this because you can, I mean, it's a whole kit. So of course the first thing that I'm going to do, and there's different ways that you can do this, but let me see if I can open this. I always have trouble. First thing that I'm going to do, I think, is make some earrings with this kit. You have your beads here, and you have duplicate pieces here, and then one side seems to be a little like a lavender color, and the other side is not. So, you know, I think, I mean, they're just beautiful. They have such a beautiful shine to them, and you can see that shine there. I may have to turn this little light off. Yeah, maybe a little bit of a light. I can't do anything about that one right there unless I turn it off, and then I can't see. But then there's some jump rings, of course, and then there's the earring hooks, and then the head pins, and then the toggle clasp. And so I think the first ones that I'm going to work on is, let's see, I don't know, so many. These are almost reversible. I think that is just so cool. I think I'll go with the lavender ones first. So I'm going to take out an earring, couple earring hooks. I can't wait to work with these. The quality of these are awesome. I mean, they are not cheap by any standards, in my opinion. So I got smart finally and got my board. I don't know why I didn't get before, and place these items into it, so that way I don't have them all rolling all over the place, and we don't have that glare anymore. So the first thing I'm going to do is take these, and I am going to put a pin in each one, so that way from that pin I can make a jump ring on the other end. I'm going to take my crimping tool, and I'm going to slide it in here. Now, of course, you don't have to have a crimping tool. There are other ways of doing this, and my hand's very small compared to everything else, so it's kind of hard to hang on to this. So the next thing that I want to do is to get a toggle clasp, excuse me, the bar end of it, and I want to put a jump ring on it, and I can put more than one if I want to on it, but I think I'm just going to do the one. Now we're going to get the toggle top part, the circle part. We're going to do the same thing to it, and we're going to get an earring hook. And you could actually wear this either direction. Beautiful piece. And I'll work on the other one, and I'll set it aside though for now so we can work on another piece. Let's see. Actually, let's do, I love these right here. I'm going to go ahead and put a pin in one of them, a head pin. I'm going to get my crimping tool, my one-step looper they call it. This is a 1.5 millimeter. those made now, and what I like about this kit is that you get extra jump rings, and you've got a couple extra hooks, extra pins, and a pair of, a pair of toggle clasps that you can use if you need it. And if you make a mistake on the pins, which I did make a few mistakes, so I was glad that there was extra pins, you've got it. Now you can use beads that you have in your own stash, and maybe and you can get some of these, more of these earring hooks through them, and make your own set. Make these interchangeable with other beads, and I think that's a great idea. So I love this kit. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Many blessings.